There are a couple of trends in the industry. One is industry players increasingly moving to become full house logistics providers. So you can see traditionally players in the carrier side, in the express side, in the freight forwarding side, realizing that their customers have needs in all areas across the logistics portfolio. And that's where you see the expansion into new territory. That has also, of course, a very important consequence for software providers. Traditionally, software provider has been very specialized in those different disciplines of logistics, very much silo-based. But as increasingly logistics giants are moving into full house scenarios, they need support across all those disciplines. So that's a strong industry trend. Then, of course, the overriding trend of going digital that has sped up enormously due to the pandemic. There, I believe we also can see some disruptive change. I think you need to go about innovation to meet those needs of these trends a little bit differently, whether that is a continuous improvement of fine-tuning or whether it actually is disruptive change. Going from paper-based processes to completely digital is a disruptive change. And I think a good strategy there is what I see with Seva Logistic, setting up their CargoWise global deployment project from the get-go to be completely paperless. That is something I think is very hard to do as a gradual fine-tuning. Finally, of course, the booming e-commerce industry. And it's here to stay. It's not just a pandemic effect. It has been dramatically sped up by lockdowns, but it's here to stay, and it addresses a classical dilemma in the logistics industry, the imperfect last mile delivery. So that's where we will also see a number of system feature approaches, process approaches, and new business concepts to address that classical industry dilemma.